To be a driver, you have to show documents. And these people who want to be ministers, they have not presented a CV, a curriculum vitae, that shows the academic qualifications and the professional experience. That is the biggest absurdity in this country. So, and I don't know whether the Prime Minister has seen that CV, whether or where he shows them blindly.
So you're actually wondering why the ministers are not showing the CVs, so we don't know the background, the experience, the capacities of the ministers. Are you worried about that?
Yes, I am. Some I know who they are. Yes, they are highly qualified, and so some of them. But many others, I don't know them. Never seen their curriculum. One or two I heard told by others in the social media they have zero qualification. And that's a problem in Timor-Leste. How are we going to develop the country when we have such a big government and with few qualified people?
Do you think this your period is the final one, or and this period is a period of transforming Timor-Leste, modernizing the political parties, and welcoming the young leaders?
The so-called new generation, have they learned anything? Have they gained the trust of the people? Have they shown integrity, honesty, free of temptation of corruption and power? Because this is a democracy. Well, you have to win the trust of the people.
Yeah, but as a senior and been there, done that, you must have had like vision, oh, this young guy is the next new star is born. Have you seen someone like that? Someone?
Ratu is one of those who, from beginning 2002, I began to see him as one of the brightest, and a few more. You don't need nowadays to be in a political party to share your vision, your wisdom through social media. Well, they don't do that. They don't connect with the people. They connect only election time. And then the people say, yes, only election time they come to see us.